Anthony M. Elmore, President and Founder of the Proud Black Buddhist World Association, here today to bring you in another exciting Black Buddhist lectures. We at the Proud Black Buddhist World Association are not only the Black Buddhist voice in America, we are the Black Buddhist voice in the world, and we are the only Black Buddhist organization in the world that do not have Asian Buddhist masters. When we learned that the Asians extricated all Black history, culture, and language from the Buddhist teachings, we extricated them out as our teachers. Now, today we're going to bring you exciting Buddhist lecture. My lecture today is The Tribe of Judah Was Black, Buddhist, and Jewish. In learning Buddhism from Asians, they extricate all Black Buddhist history, culture, and language. This is why you need Black Buddhist teachers who can tell and share with you Black Buddhist history. The Buddhists were Black and of the tribe of Judah. The Black tribe of Judah were of the original Jews. See, we do not have to look very far in history to find the tribe of Judah. See, the tribe of Judah today call themselves Ethiopians. Now, in regards to written history, the Ethiopians have the oldest record of kings and queens in the history of any people in mankind. The Ethiopians came from India into Africa hundreds of years before the Persian Abraham. The Ethiopians were Buddhists, and they were called Naga or Naga Buddhists. They had a written document. Right now it's called the Kubra Nagas. The document referenced Naga. Now, in regards to India, the Ethiopians ruled India, and the whites got their language of Sanskrit from the Ethiopian language of Ge'ez that's spoken in Ethiopia today. Now, this is what we proud Black Buddhists must understand. Buddha Shakyamuni, the historical Buddha, is sometimes called the line of Shaka. Now, Shaka is the name of his clan, the Shakas. And he is therefore depicted the seat on a lion throne. The tribe of Judah was a lion. Judah was a group whose southern territory included the city of Jerusalem, where the kings who ruled, the group whose southern territory included the capital of Jerusalem, whose king ruled. The Romans called the United Israel Judah territory Judea after it. And the Jews received their name from that. When you talk about the city of Jerusalem, we are talking about Buddhists and the tribe of Judah. I want you to look at the Apadimak Temple in Naga, Sudan, and you will see the snake coming out of the lotus flower, and you will see the lion, and that tells you that they were Buddhists or Judah from the tribe of Shakyamuni Buddha. Shakyamuni is, the word Shakyamuni means sage of the Shakas, and he was from the lion. The lion was the symbol of the Buddha. So when you see the Lion of Judah and you see the lion, that brings the lion and Buddhists all together. They have Black or African Americans who call themselves Hebrew or Hebrew Israelites who have no idea of the correct Jewish history. The original Jews were the tribe of Judah, and they were Black. You can look at the tribe of Abraham of Persia and know that they were not the same tribe or people. What you have are black people who adopted the God of Abraham or the Persian and Brahma. This is what happened in India. See, the black Brahmins in India kicked out the black Buddhists. They brought in a white foreigner to subdue and fight their brothers, the black Buddhists. The whites or light skins became the Brahmins, and they created the caste system based on color, whereas the light skins were the Brahmins and the dark skins at the bottom. Those who did not accept the system, they were not in a caste, they were called Chandela or the outcasts. In regard to Jews, because of the influence of the caste system, Jews became lighter. The Jews were never a single group of people. They separated into sects. See, Buddhist and Krishna, and you had Brahma and Persia. And you had Abraham and Brahma and Persia. See, because the God of Abraham is the God of the Brahmins who practiced the caste system, and the caste system was racist. The God of Buddha and Buddhist is the Lotus Sutra. Namu means to awaken or give reverence. Myo means God, or mysterious, unfathomable, incomprehensible, or cause. Ho means life's manifestations of the law, or the 3,000 realms of effects. The word Ren is a symbol for the lotus, or it means cause or show flowers and seeds. Gay means effects or manifestations, and Renge is a single law of cause and effect. The word Kyo means overcoming delusion, or it means teachings, all the teachings of the universe. We awaken to the God, or the incomprehensible law of cause and effect teachings that dispel delusion. I am Anthony M. Elmore, President and Founder of the Proud Black Buddhist World Association.
I found myself a brand new mission to help others make correct decisions. We bring to you a spiritual religion. It's not the religion that you expect. It's all about the laws of cause and effect. The fortunes in the middle of the call of effect teaching. We do a lot of wisdom preaching.